have the following word problem. The admission fee at an amusement park is $3.25 for children and $6 for adults. On a certain day, 316 people entered the park and the admission fees collected totaled to $1,577. How many children and how many adults were admitted? Let X represent children and Y represent adults. We are now going to dissect this word problem sentence by sentence. So the last sentence tells us that X represents children and Y represents adults. And on this certain day, 316 people were admitted. So we know that our first system of equations has to be X plus Y equals 316. Our second equation is going to come from the fees. So we were told that children's tickets cost $3.25 and adults' tickets cost $6 even. And on this certain day, the total fees collected were $1,577. So we know that our second equation is going to be $3.25 with an X variable plus 6 with a Y variable equals 1,577. Now that we have our system, we can now convert the top equation into terms of Y so that we can then plug it into the bottom equation. So we can convert this top equation to be Y equals negative X plus 316. Now that we have an equation in terms of Y, we can plug it into our bottom equation. So we will then have 325X plus 6 times negative X plus 316 equals 1,577. We can then combine like terms in order to get 325X minus 6X plus 1,896 equals 1,577. We can now combine like terms to do 325X minus 6X equals negative 275X plus 1,896 equals 1,577. We can now subtract 1,896 from both sides so that we can try to get our X variable alone, which will leave us with negative 275X equals negative 319. When we plug this into our calculator and divide both sides by negative 275, we will be left with X equals 116. Now that we have our X variable, we can go back and plug it into our original problem in order to get 116 plus Y equals 316. We can now subtract 116 from both sides in order to get Y equals 200. So now we know that our final solution to this system of equation is 116, 200, which means that 116 children were admitted and 200 adults were admitted.